Hey, this is Jeff from the Kona team. You might have seen my discussion here with Brian about being a remote worker a few weeks ago, and I thought it'd be good to check in with him. But first, here's just a quick reminder of some of the challenges he was having.
Up and respond to my emails, and then they're sending me the documents, but it's not the right version of the document, and then I'm supposed to cut and paste the thing, but everybody forgets I'm supposed to be attending this conference.
So I thought it'd be good just to check back with Brian and see how he's doing. So let me get him on Skype right now.
This is Brian. Who's this?
Hey Brian, it's Jeff from the Kona team. You remember me from the Dell Tech Insight conference where I stopped by your hotel room and we talked a little bit about the challenges of being a remote worker?
How'd you get my Skype ID?
Well, it's public and you accepted my invitation, so I figured you'd be willing to maybe let us in on how that proposal came out.
I might have to fix that, but as far as that proposal's concerned, oh man, what a train wreck. So, I mean, we had just versions of the document everywhere. Nobody knew what version we were working on. Nobody knew what they were supposed to be working on, or who was assigned to what, or what the deadlines were. And I just spent all my time emailing, trying to track people down and all the various pieces. So eventually the proposal deadline hit, and we just took what we had and sent it. Haven't heard anything back, so who knows?
Well, Brian, I mean, that's really what I wanted to talk to you about, because I've got this solution that I think would really help.
Hang on.
Yeah,
it's unfortunately it's my boss. I got to take this.
Oh, okay, sure.
This is
sure.
Brian. Yeah. You needed a status update on the project. Yeah, the same project we held the status meeting for yesterday. That only half the people showed up to. Right. Well, did you see the email recap I sent after the meeting? If you want, I can resend that. So instead you want me to set up a meeting so I can update you? Well, actually, you know what? Hold on. I could do that real quick if you want. Yeah. Well, of course you're getting on a plane and they're getting ready to close the boarding doors. Okay. Bye.
Whoa. Feeling a little micromanaged there, Brian?
You gotta be shitting me. I mean, what's the point of having a status meeting when nobody shows up? Then what do? They either call or email me asking what happened in the meeting and what am I supposed to do? So what do? I send status update emails with all the tasks that everything's assigned to. And nobody, seems to know what they're supposed to do, because guess what? I can't find the email because they can't seem to get their lives together. I assign you a task, but you can't seem to remember to do what I asked you to do. Or I get I'm sorry, this slipped through the cracks. No, you can't seem to get your together and can't keep track of the stuff you have to do and when you have to do it. How in the hell do you remember to get dressed in the morning?
Brian, take a breath. Let's try this again later, okay? We'll talk to you soon.